So I'm gonna put on my eyeshadow. First, I always put concealer on my eyelid. So I like to use makeup for multiple purposes, and I use the concealers that don't fit my skin tone as eyeshadow primer, and I chose the lightest one because I wanted the pink to show up really bright and vibrant. Okay, so first I'm going to use the new palette, and I'm going to use this sparkly, well, it's a pink and it has like gold sparkles in it. And it's a lighter pink. Use the rose palette. I'm gonna use this one right here, this like darker. It looks kind of purple on camera. Sorry. Okay, next I'm gonna use this right here. Okay, I've had this for a really long time. Like, I don't know. I know people are like, oh, after like so long, you're supposed to throw your old makeup away. But I mean, I feel like I've had this for probably like, I know I've had it for over a year, but so it's kind of messed up. But it has really, look how pretty. It's broken. Look at how pretty these are. I mean, I'm gonna use this one. I feel like this one will fit better. Yeah, that's really pretty. So I know I'm using the same two brushes to do my eyeshadow, but that's because I had like 20 makeup brushes, and there was about 8 of them that I would use to do eyeshadow, and all my brushes are gone. Like, I can only find 11 of my brushes, so I have to stick with these 2. Next, I'm gonna contour my nose. I don't know why. See, when I lift my eyebrows, it's like the reflection. I guess my skin is like glowy, so it's like reflecting right here, making it look like, I don't know, not cute, but just ignore that. So I'm gonna contour my nose using the same old little used up contour palette. So I'm gonna do the bottom like this. And I'm gonna dab it with the beauty blender. I'm gonna take it and do it from under. This light. So I turned up the main light, so it kind of made it not look like that anymore. I don't know. It still kind of does, but I don't know why it looked like that right there. Well, it was because the light was like reflecting on my skin. Next, I'm gonna highlight my nose and, you know, my cheeks. I'm gonna use the pink and I'm gonna mix it with the silver. I'm gonna show you how. So first I'm gonna use the pink color. I'm gonna do it right here. I'm using my ring light to kind of like naturally highlight my face. And I'm gonna highlight it based off of where this ring light naturally highlights my face. That makes sense. I'm gonna put a little on my forehead. So what I meant by mixing the pink and silver, for the tip of my nose, I'm gonna use it pink first, dot that on the tip. Then I'm gonna take this silver, put that on top, so I can give it like an extra glow. Okay, and I'm gonna, the same color I did my eyeshadow with the other day. It's the Ballet. I'm gonna put it here and use it as a blush. Like I said, I love using things for multiple purposes. Okay. Next, I'm gonna do my highlight with this same MAC eyeshadow palette. You already know. So I'm gonna turn, and since I just done the blush like from here to here, I'm gonna put the highlight like right here until it touches the blush. Ignore the pimple on my face, please. It's breakout season. Breakout season. I'm gonna do the same thing but on this side. I'm gonna put a little bit on my, like under my eyebrow. I'm gonna use the pink one. Last but not least, I'm gonna do my mole. Oh my. Oops. Okay, actually I have something to do after this. I'm gonna put on clear gloss. So I'm gonna rub my lip gloss on, and then I'm gonna put highlight on my lip. So I'm gonna put it like that. Okay, this may seem weird to you, but I do it all the time. I'm gonna use this pink liquid lipstick, and I'm gonna put it on top of my clear gloss. So I'm not gonna put a lot of it, like a line across the top, line across the bottom, and a line like on this part. Okay, so here's my outfit for the day. I'm wearing this pink shirt from Pink. These skinny jeans, they're like medium, I guess, blue from Air Possible, and I'll be wearing these white Nikes.